Hey, today's I am showing you fall decorating ideas for a beautiful autumn season. There are so many ways to decorate your home in a tasteful and festive way for fall. Pumpkins, gourds, autumn. Foliage and pine cones are a handful of popular themes that can serve as inspiration. You can mix all of these elements together across your mantle, or you can stagger them artfully down your front steps. You can make a fall wreath out of miniature pumpkins. We also love a garland made from oversized pine cones that incorporates fresh magnolia or greenery. When decorating for fall, it is best to get the most bang for your buck and pick one look that will carry you through the tailgate, Halloween, and Thanksgiving seasons. Bring fall into your home all season long with our favorite decorating projects. Number 1. Transform pumpkins into candle holders. Cinderella pumpkins make a beautiful candle holder for a tabletop or along garden paths. Place them all over your property for a more dramatic effect. Simply carve out the center of each pumpkin and place a glass hurricane and candle inside. Number 2. Plant a succulent pumpkin. A pumpkin with a sunken hollow can provide a base for succulents, which need very little soil. Use a pumpkin in a muted color so the succulents can really shine. Moisten the soil and arrange echeverias and other succulents in an array of textures and colors. Number 3. Give grasses the limelight. Use grasses to herald the changing season as they transform from brilliant green to a wheat-colored hue. These containers use lime green sweet potato vine, which can be replaced with other seasonal plants in winter. Tall black planters add extra height to the arrangement. Number 4. Use linens to choose your palette. When styling a photo-ready fete, beginning with one simple element can make all the difference. I'm usually inspired by beautiful linens, and then I'll build my palette from there, pulling out 1 or 2 colors from the fabric's top. Complete the look, Huddleston said. Number 5. Dine by candlelight. Everyone looks better when the candles are glowing, and there's something about tall, elegant tapers that just makes a table so pretty, Huddleston added. Dine by natural light, and then allow the candles to carry your party into the evening. Number 6. Forage for foliage. Use natural materials to beautify your table by gathering leaves, berries, hydrangeas, and more from your backyard, said Mary Hollis Huddleston of Mrs. Southern Social and Please Be Seated, the elevated event rental company. In the South, we're lucky that we still have plants blooming in the fall. I love combining these things with more seasonal items, like colorful autumn leaves. Number 7. Hang a corn badge. Ribbons of burlap create a rustic background for iconic fall plants that are bundled into sheaves to form decorative accents. These looks great when hung on a front door, in each window, on top of columns, over a mantelpiece. You name it. Number 8. Make a wreath of colorful fall foliage. Rake in the compliments with a wreath featuring brilliant autumn leaves. This works with maple, oak, sweet gum, hickory, dogwood, whatever is putting on a show in your yard. You can also make it with preserved leaves purchased at a craft store or online. Number 9. Create a cozy outdoor fireplace. Create a festive retreat for guests with lots of plush seating and a mantle swathed in a foliage garland made from a combination of oak and magnolia leaves. Decorate only one side of the fireplace for a modern feel. Complete the look with simple and weighty pottery crocks filled with autumn leaves, hydrangeas, and berries. Number 10. Recreate a pumpkin patch on your porch. Decorate the porch with pumpkins, gourds, and hay bales for a look straight out of them. Pumpkin patch. The hay bales are great for adding height where needed, as are baskets and pots. Pro tip: you want this setup to feel symmetrical, but not perfect. Number 11. Place nature in the spotlight. Host a stylish autumn get-together with recycled things from around the house and arrange them on an outdoor table. You can fill an oversized jug with branches of leaves cut from the yard for a free centerpiece. Make blankets available to keep your guests comfortable outdoors. Number 12. Make playful place cards. Write the name of each guest on a leaf place card attached to a little felted acorn that doubles as a fun party favor. Scatter loose felted acorns or real ones up and down the table to play up the natural theme. Number 13. Make your mantle slightly spooky. This mantle arrangement is appropriate all season long while being spooky enough for Halloween. Use small containers in a black or dark wood finish along with items such as horns, crooked sticks, and Spanish moss. The darker colors will help the bright orange pumpkins stand out. Number 14. Dress up the mantle. Let's not forget about decorating the mantle. This quick-to-make arrangement of white pumpkins, colorful leaves, and twine is simple and rustic. Southern living floral genius Buffy Hargett Miller calls it an easy wow. There you have it, folks. These are some of our top picks to elevate your home decor game. Whether you're looking to create a cozy fall atmosphere or simply add a touch of elegance to your space, thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more home decor inspiration. Happy decorating!